And I said that's why you don't eat oranges in my chaos dimension, buddy. Sometimes the fruit bites you.
Oh, Discord, you make even the most upsetting things sound so fun. Oh dear, I hope you're not about to play a trick on me.
Never, my dear Fluttershy, but I admit I am always fond of a little disruption.
Software to Megatron, universe in the decade. Usually the seems illogical.
Oh my, it's, actually, I don't have a word to describe any part of that. Do you promise you're not trying to scare me?
I'm afraid even I couldn't concoct something that bizarre.
Begin operation, stop insecure, agent.
My little pony, my little pony. My little pony. I used to wonder what friendship could be. Until you all shared its magic with me. Big adventure, tons of fun. A beautiful heart, faithful and strong. Sharing kindness, it's an easy feat. And magic makes it all complete. You have mine. Do you know you're all my very best
Transformers, more than meets the eye. Autobots raise their battle to destroy the evil forces of the Decepticons. The Transformers. The Transformers. More than meets the eye. The Transformers.
Oh, little friends, I'm guessing you saw the strange visitor too, but don't worry. I know a new friend out there may look scary, but I don't believe any ponies ever are bad. After all, we're what?
Laser pig. Crazy. Rubbish. Keep going.
It has heads! Hello, friend. My name is Fluttershy, and I'm so happy to meet another animal-loving neighbor. I admit, my little friends here were nervous. We've never seen a creature like you before, but of course, every pony is welcome in Equestria. And I'm always happy to make a new friend.
Self-assessment. Negative.
Fluttershy, dear, perhaps you should let me be the first to get to know our curious guest.
Self-assessment. Significant. Target engage. Orders. Engage allies.
The ponies always insist you can judge a creature by their look, but I know another shifty deceiver when I see one.
Alright, start talking, you candy-looking pack animal. What is this place? What its defenses? Why does everything smell like lavender?
Not that I mind. The company here is lovely, but I always get excited when things change.
Nonsense.
Of course, your tiny companions take different shapes. So, if I really want to understand you, to walk a mile in your herd, I should try on a few alternative modes.
Increase uncertainty or be deactivated.
And my friends and I were given the elements of harmony, so, since then we Project Equestria and try to teach others too. Oh my, your nose! Poor little buddy, you have a boo-boo on it!
Hey, we don't get boo-boos, that's battle damage!
Well, I'm sure no pony wants that.
Yeah, save it for the message boards!
Lucky for all of you, I always keep some boo-boo creme for my friend.
You kidding me? Hey, Lemonhead! Back off!
Big mistake. Detected.
I tried to be nice. I tried to make you feel welcome. But maybe you're just one of the bullies who thinks being mean makes others respect you. But in my experience, having actually cared for some pony is what makes them stand by you.
Hey, back off! You jerks get your circuits crossed!
And the bad news for you. Fluttershy has cared for all of us tremendously.
Raising, damage, measurement, assist.
You're not? Lay off me, and let's bust the butts off them mangy mutts! Come on! You ain't gonna let one bad temper punch ruin a beautiful friendship, are ya?
Did he say friendship? That's what you care about?
Impossibly, friendship, superior.
I totally agree. Oh my gosh. See, if that's how you feel, then we can all just start over and be friends. We don't have to fight. You don't have to be scary. And we can help you find your way.
Oh, I could turn you into little pretty ponies.
Hey, sorry for getting a little too rough with ya, friend.
Soundwave report to our coordinates. We have established a secure location to mount our aid for this world's energy.
Yes, Megatron. Eventually.